Hey guys, today we have new Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Edition, Nintendo Switch. So without any delay, let's unbox this. New Nintendo Switch OLED, Pokemon Special Edition. Who's excited for Pokemon Scarlet and Violet? Note, this Pokemon Scarlet and Violet console does not come with Pokemon game in any shape. Joy-Cons, both sides come with different colors, represent Scarlet and Violet Pokemons. Detailing on Serious Mode. Straps are also match with Joy-Cons color. Now let's look our Nintendo OLED. Looks really cool. I am excited for play games on this. Game Boy, iPhone 14 Pro Max, The Legend, and Nintendo Switch dock. All ports are safely hidden here. Wow, this is best looking dock yet. A Game Boy, Limited Edition Pikachu, Advance SP. Let's open it and fuck it. Let's look inside. Such a cute Game Boy. Which console looks better? Comment. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.